Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile picture on YouTube. Whether you're looking to refresh your channel's look or update your personal account, changing your profile picture is a simple process that can have a big impact on your channel's appearance and viewers' perception. It's the first impression viewers have of your channel, making it a crucial element of your online identity. Begin by signing into your YouTube account. Go to youtube.com and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, click on your current profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Select Your Channel from this menu. Then, click on the Customize Channel button. On the Channel Customization page, select the Branding tab. Here, you'll find the option to change your profile picture under the Profile Picture section. Click on the Upload button to select a new profile picture from your computer. Choose an image that represents your channel well. Remember, this picture will be displayed in a small size, so pick an image that is clear and recognizable, even at a small scale. After uploading, you may need to crop your image. Adjust it so your chosen picture fits well within the circular frame. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on the Done button to save your changes. Congratulate the viewer on successfully changing their profile picture. Remind them that they can update it anytime to keep their channel looking fresh and engaging. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. End with a simple outro, thanking viewers for watching and directing them to other helpful tutorials on your channel.